Today we're going to unpack the hardware kit and show you where everything is and how to use the hardware properly. So when you first get a hardware kit, it's in the bottom of the package. The hardware kit's going to be marked with the product code number. In this case, we're building an 8x12 sunshed garden shed, and our code is SSGS812. It's got different compartments for all the different hardware you're going to use. The first compartment is the bits. So we supply 2 bits for the screws. We've got stainless steel nails, shingle nails, etc., etc. So when you want to use some of the hardware, instead of creating a big mess and just cutting everything open, what I like to do is we leave a little seam here between each compartment. Take a utility knife and just cut along that seam. Pull it out. Take your pieces of hardware, and when you're going to use it, then you have it, instead of cutting all along here and then creating a complete mess. What I like to do is cut this, take my bag of 2 1/4 inch screws, or these are actually 1 1/4 inch screws, and then I have that, and I can dump them in my little pouch if I want, and I keep that separated. Okay? Thanks.